Hi everybody. I am the parent of Rian's the Hall. So this is like whole year. This time goes so quick. The time goes fly and it's done already. And today is the big day for the children. It's like we do the graduation for the other student too. How big is that? How smart is that day? Everybody, the parents and the children, I mean the student, have been the makeup and everything. All looks good and everybody like going smart, calling the family friend. There's the same thing. This is like really small children. We need to think these children can be growing and growing day by day and it can be really tough position. So that way, as a parent, how difficult we bring the children here, how difficult to grow day by day. Think about how difficult to changing the diaper, starting from the diaper, how difficult to change the diaper and everything. So we bring it in this age today. And as a teacher here, it's not an easy job. I'm also the teacher in my country before, and it's not an easy job. So we drop the children here, go home again, come back, dropping, backing, going, and really difficult for the work schedule and everything. But at the end, we get it. We done all good. So I thanks for all the children's parents and the teachers and all the family members, everyone, whoever is helped. This is not the easy job. Dropping the children is not the easy job. You know, I did this like really like this is 1 year. Starting is really difficult, bringing and dropping. There's no big parking lot also there, but we did it. We did really good job. And today is a little celebration, but we need to think this is a really big celebration. We need to grow up these children and make a big engineer, doctor, and like this is a foundation. So our foundation as a teacher here, they are doing really great job. We are the parent. We didn't get chance of getting little education at home also because of the work schedule. So this is my thankful is not enough for what I give it to the teacher here. So lot of teachers here. There's a Carrie is here, Stephanie is there, and all other teachers. I don't know the name, but you think I realize all the teachers' name and everything. I recognize everybody, and it's not an easy job. So I love to give really big thanks to the teachers and who is the organizer over here and the parents. So let's do the really please